Hey, we are headed over to our neighbor's house to surprise them. They had a baby and it was born very early and they've had a hard time, and we're going to surprise them with some color. Come on. I'm so excited. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
We have a surprise for you.
What is it?
So I'm doing a little show for the DIY paint company.
Oh.
And it's going to be my first show.
Oh.
And we are going to treat you with your free furniture makeover.
Oh! Yes! Thank you. Yeah.
I want to hear your story about your little angel Ace.
Okay.
And I'm going to do that tall dresser for you.
Oh, thank you. Yay.
Yes.
Okay.
Beauty.
So Ace was born at 28 weeks. He was.
And we did not even know you were pregnant.
No, we didn't tell many people, but he was born at 28 weeks, and he stayed at the hospital for 62 days before we brought him home. But he did amazing. He didn't need much breathing support at all. He didn't have to have any surgeries. He came home free and clear, no oxygen, nothing, just healthy and fat and fussy.
That's so cute.
He did great. He's definitely our blessing baby for sure.
And what are we going to do in his room?
So let me see. I have this picture. I haven't even opened it.
I love this.
So it's just that. So I mean, like his colors are like black, white, and red.
Inspiration over
yeah. And so
me.
this is what I wanted.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay. Dang, I got it. That is good. That's gonna be good.
So that is what I was thinking.
So can I like just kind of do something with inspired by that?
Yes, whatever you want to do.
Yes.
You can do whatever you want to do. I'm so excited. You do whatever you want to do. You just.
That's so exciting. Okay.